Grab a pen and your aesthetic highlighters, ladies, because today we are going over the top items you need to become that girl, according to TikTok. These are ice molds because every girl must have fruit-infused ice on hand to amaze all her party guests. This is gold flatware. Even though it costs the same as silver, it looks so bougie you will never even use it, so it stays shiny and new forever. No, it's not a designer handbag. It's an insulated lunch container, perfect for those girls on the go to carry around their salads and processed protein bars. These are glass straws because paper ones get soggy, and who doesn't want to have a butterfly on their straw? This is a vintage water carafe for the girls who romanticize drinking their 1 gallon of water each and every day. No one does mugs anymore. These are coffee glasses, so you can see the swirls of caramel and chocolate in all of your coffee drinks. These are drawer inserts, so you can organize all of your TikTok beauty products that you were influenced to buy, but you never use. This is a Hatch alarm clock. Now you can wake up like a Disney princess with a glowing sunrise and the sound of a bubbling brook. And for those of you spending daddy's money, this is a $200 skincare mini fridge. While it may seem overpriced to most, it does have double doors and looks great in restock videos. These are the $580 AirPod Max Bluetooth headphones. The sound quality is not as good as Bose, and they feel like uncomfortable plastic on top of your head. But people will think that you are better than they are because you could afford to buy these. This is the $75 Stanley Cup. This is a must-have, so you can say, I have a Stanley Cup.